والله آية فجأة تسوي لنا ميوت كل آياته ولا نسأل. Morning teacher.
Good morning, everyone. We're going to start our lesson. Okay, so please sit properly. Everyone, sit properly. Look at me. Very good. Thank you very much. Everyone, please make sure your camera is on. Please. Because if you want to participate, I have to see you, okay? Okay? Thank you. So please make sure your camera is on. Good. Let us start. Yesterday, we talked about something. Do you remember what the thing that we talked about yesterday? Yes, Khadija. What was it? Khadija. Yesterday, we learned how to do something to 3-digit numbers. To do what?
Fraction.
After fractions, we learned how to add. Right? Yes, we learned how to add the numbers and how to use the boxes at the top. Remember what we call this when we use the boxes at the top? What do we call it?
Regrouping.
Good job, regrouping. We learned yesterday, or actually we reviewed how to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Sometimes we had to do double regrouping, right? Sometimes we had to regroup twice. Right, Khadija? Thank you very much. Now, today we will learn about subtracting numbers. Subtracting numbers with regrouping, okay? Subtracting means we will get a smaller number. We will make a smaller number. It's like I have 5 apples. I gave Bisan 2 apples. So how many apples do I have left? So good job, good job. I can see your fingers, thank you. So if I had 5 and I gave someone 2, I'm left with a smaller number, not 5, a smaller number, which is 3, right? It is 3. Okay, thank you for turning the cameras on. I still can't see Ahmad, Tahir, Nisreen, Muhammad, Yusuf Khalid. Please turn the camera on. So, when we subtract, we are making a smaller number. We're taking away, we're giving away something, okay? So, today, we're going to do this with 2-digit numbers, okay? Let's start. Everyone stay with me. Don't touch anything around you. Don't talk to your family. Just stay with me, okay? Thank you. Can you see my screen? Can you see the dancing numbers? Here they are. Very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, subtracting with regrouping. Subtracting with regrouping. Now, so you will learn how to subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number by using mental math and or by using cubes. I'll show you how, okay? First, what is regrouping? Dina, stay with me, okay? Can everyone please stay with me? What is regrouping? Regrouping is a word we use to take 10 from one number to give another number. Remember when we add, we put the one tens on top of the tens. We made a new 10 and we put it on top of the tens. But in subtraction, we have more steps to do. More steps to do. So we do this when we don't have enough to subtract two numbers. Okay, let's see. Now, if I have, before I put the numbers, if I have 5 apples, can I give Ammar 6 apples? No, because I have only 5. I should have 5 or more so that I can give Ammar 5 apples, right? Okay, if I have 4 apples, Miral asks me to have 3 apples, let's say. Can I give her 3 apples if I have 4? If I have 4, can I give her 3? Yes, I'll have 1 apple left, which is very good. If I have 4 apples, can I give Dina 4 apples? Yes, I can. But if I have 4 apples, can I give Yusuf 7 apples? No. That's why sometimes we will need to regroup. We need to regroup, okay? Okay. So, again, if I have 10 apples, can I give Tamim 15 apples? Can I? Good. Okay. Tamim asks me to give him 5 apples and I have 15. Can I give him? I have 15, Bisan. I have 15, not 10. I have 15. He asks me to give him 5. Can I give him? Yes, I can, because after I give him 5 apples, I'll have 10 for me. I'll have 10 left for me, right, Bisan? So, we should have the same number or bigger number to take away, okay? Or to subtract. We will start with our examples here, okay? Yes, let's start with these two numbers. I have 25 and 12. 25 and 12. And I have this minus sign, or take away. We can say minus, we can say take away, okay? Or subtract. The first thing we should do is, first, we make sure we know where the ones are and the tens are. Then we check if we have, everyone stay with me, this is very important, okay? We check if we have more on top or more on the floor. Let's agree on these names, okay? So top, floor, top, floor, okay? Here we have 5 and 2 on top of each other. Let's check, do we have more on top, show me fingers, or more on the floor? Top or floor? Good job, we have more on the top. Thank you, I can see your fingers. 5 is more than 2, right? So we have 5 minus 2. Can I do it? Yes, I can. 5 minus 2 is very easy because more on top, no need to stop. You're not going to take tens, you're not going to change any numbers, okay? Just subtract. You're not going to use the boxes on top of the numbers. 5 take away 2 is 5 take away 2 is, who wants to answer this? Zanzun, Zena.
3.
Good job. Thank you, Zena. Do we need to change any numbers, Zena? No, because it's more on the top. Okay? More on top. Thank you, Zena. Yes, Aya. The second step, Aya, is subtract the tens. We also have more on top. Means
1.
2. Yes, 2. Take away 1 is?
1.
Thank you, Aya. Good job. In this problem, we didn't have to regroup. We didn't change the numbers at the top. By the way, in subtracting numbers, we don't change the numbers at the bottom. We always change the numbers at the top if we need to. Okay? We don't change the numbers at the bottom. Let's see how this works using the blocks, the place value blocks. Remember the stripes are for tens? Yes. And then we have ones. Here we have 25, right? 1 10, 2 tens, and 5 ones, 25. Let's take away 12. I'll take away 1, 10, and how many ones? 2 ones. And I'm left with 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. All right, now let's see. Let's see. Who wants to answer this? Hello? Cameras on, please. Cameras. Hi, Rayan.
Hi.
Habibi, can you answer?
Yeah, I can.
Thank you. Start. You're going to tell me the steps, right, Rayan?
First thing, 10 and ones.
Tens and ones, then?
3 minus 7.
Can we do it?
No, we
Because
can't.
it's more on the floor.
Yeah.
More on the floor, we have to change the number at the top to make it bigger.
This
Bigger.
This
Yeah.
2 and this 13.
We will change. Okay. Wait,
30.
Rayan.
30.
Look, this boy is confused at the screen. Can you see? What?
Yeah.
If I have 3 apples, how am I supposed to give you 7? I only have 3. We're going to tell him that it's okay. We're going to give you more so that you can give your friend 7. Here. More on the floor. Everyone read what's on the screen. More on the floor. Go next door. Take 10 more. Again. More on the floor. Go next door. Take 10 more. So 3 needs to be bigger, right?
30.
So it will take a 10 from the other 3 in the tens, okay?
Yes.
If it needs to take a 10, so it will have to come from the tens place. Look at this.
This be 13 and this be
This, okay, let me show you. Thank you, Rayan. Let me show you. You are right. We have 3 tens here, right?
Yeah.
We took 1 10, so we are left with 2 tens. So we write the new number here. This 3 will take 1 10. So instead of being 3, it will become 13. 13. Good. Thank you very much, Rayan. Rayan, can you do the ones for me?
Yeah, I can. 2 minus 1 equal 1.
No, we start with ones, please.
13.
Yes.
It will be 6. 6 in the ones, and when 13 minus 7 equal 6.
Good job. Thank you,
2
Rayan.
minus 1 equal 1.
Super, Rayan. Good job. So the answer is 16. The answer is 16. Thank you very much. Okay. Who wants to answer the one after this? عمري. فارس العمري. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, حبيبي. Faris,
Yeah.
can you please answer this?
Yes.
Read the numbers first.
Read the answer. 68 and 80.
68 and or minus?
Minus 18.
Good job. 68 minus
18.
18. Good job, Faris. Now, Faris, can we subtract or do we have to regroup here?
No regroup.
No regrouping. Thank you, Mr. Faris. So how does it work?
6 minus 0. 6 minus.
We start with ones, please, please, please. Start with ones, always, okay?
8 minus 8 equals 0.
Good.
And 6 minus 1 equals 5.
Good job. Thank you very, very much. So, Faris said we can subtract. He said, Dina, can you please sit properly? Good. Sit properly, thank you. Faris said we have the same number so we can subtract, we don't need to regroup. Okay? He said it's okay if I have 8 apples, I can give you 8 apples. I'll be left with 0, but it's okay, I can give you all of them. Okay? So he was right. The answer, when the numbers are the same, the answer is 0. Okay? When numbers are the same, the answer is 0. Can you please read what's on the screen together? 1, 2, 3. Numbers are the same. 0 is the game. Again, numbers are the same. 0
is the
is
game.
Good job. So what does it mean? If the numbers on top of each other are the same, the answer will be what? A 0. The answer will be a 0. All right. Yusuf? Dawood. Yusuf Dawood.
Yes.
Numbers are the same.
0 is the game.
Thank you. Lara. More on top.
No need to stop.
Good job. Bisan. More on the floor.
Go next door. Take some more.
Thank you very much. Good job. So more on top. I'm going to unmute you. Okay?
More on top. No need to stop.
Okay, we will do this when we finish, okay? We will read this. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers are the same. 0 is the game. Very good. 0 is the game. Now, all right. Alma, choose one.
I choose the number.
Let's answer, ya Alma. Alma, let's start with number 1, okay? Okay. We have 15. 15 minus 12. Can you do it, Alma?
Yes.
Okay. Start. Where do we start? Tens or ones? We start with ones. With ones. What do we say? What do we say? We say this. More on top, no need to stop. Numbers are the same. 0 is the game. More on the floor. Go next door. Take 10 more. Now in this case, you have more on top. So what do you do, Alma? No need to
stop.
Thank you. So 5 take away 2 is 5. Take away
3.
2. Good.
3.
Thank you. What about the tens? One minus 1. Is it 2? Is it 2? Is it?
No.
All right. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. But when it comes here, yeah, when it's here, you don't have to put it. You don't have to write it when it's on the left. Okay? Now, who wants to do this? Thank you, Alma. Alma. Larine?
Yes.
Can you please answer this?
On the floor there is the number is more, so we have to take, and then it beats 14.
Bravo.
And this beats 8.
Good job. Becomes 8.
And 14 minus 9 is 8 minus 5 is 3.
Thank you, smart Larine. Good job. Good job. Thank you very much. All right. Here, numbers are the same. Numbers are the same. Who can help me do this? Yalla, ya. Yes, Yara.
Numbers are the same.
Yara, please. Hi, Yara. And Lara. Hello.
The game.
Yara, honey, numbers are the same.
0 is the game.
Yara.
0.
Thank you very much. So what do you think the answer is?
0.
Good job. Good job, Yara. 0. The answer is 0. Thank you, Yara. The last one. The last one. Laith, Saleh, do you want to answer? Yes? Yes, Laith? 8 minus 6. Is it more on top or more on the floor?
More on top, no need to stop.
So what is the answer? 8 minus 6 is?
2.
Good.
Double 2.
And 2. Thank you very much, Laith. You did a great job. All right. And this is for Yasmin. Hi.
Hi.
Can you answer this? Is it more on top or more on the floor, Yasmin?
Floor.
Good. So what do we do?
Go next door.
Go next door. Thank you, Yasmin. She said go next door. I'll go to 3 to take 110. 3 becomes 2. 6 becomes what, Yasmin?
16.
Good job. Can you subtract now?
Mm.
16 take away 7 is?
9.
9. Good job. 2 minus 0 is?
2.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. So, thank you, second graders. Now, I want you all to say it with me, okay? But we're going to say it when we count to 3, okay?
Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3. More on top.
No need to stop.
More on the floor.
Go next door.
Then
More. Super. Thank you. Thank you, Habibi. Thank you. Today you were amazing. Thank you very much. That's it for today, okay? That's it for today. See you later, inshallah. Bye.